In this demonstration, we are going to understand about git merge. Merging is a very common practice for developers who are using version control system. Whether the branches are created for testing, bug fixes, or other reasons, merge commits changes to another location. To be more specific, merging actually takes the contents of source branch and integrates them into the target branch. In this process, only the target branch is changed, the source branch history remains the same. Now, let us understand the benefits, pros and cons. Pros for doing the merging is it is simple and it is familiar. It preserves complete history and chronological order, maintains the context of the branch. However, if you're looking at the cons, commit history can become polluted by a lot of merge commits. Debugging is not easy, so you need to use git bisect for doing it. And let us see how we can do the git merging step by step. Now let's go ahead and see how many features branches we got. For example, in our last tool, I have introduced you to the source tool. Let us see how exactly we will use it here. Now let's go ahead and see how many branches we have. Currently we have a couple of branches, branch 001, feature 001, master, my feature, release 1.0 and testing. So I got something like master, which is the active. For example, let me check out git checkout feature. Now if you see, I don't have a feature branch. That is the reason I am unable to check out. What I am going to do is, let me check out to testing, git checkout testing. Now the easiest way is git merge the testing into the master. Because it is already updated, there is no need to merge. Okay. However, let's go ahead and see as a little experiment. For example, you can see it here, testing. Now what I'm going to do is, in the testing, I'm going to create a file here. New added. There's a new added text file. Now let us go ahead and see this. Git status. Now git add. I'm adding it to the index. Now git status again to verify the tracking status. Yes, it is getting verified. Now what we are going to do is, let's go ahead and commit. Now I'm going to commit new added .txt file is added. Now if you go ahead and see the status, yes, it's clear. Now let me go ahead and see the master. In the master, I should not have the new added. So as soon as I check out the master, you can see the new added gets disappeared here. Okay. Now what you need to do is, for that sake, let's go back to our command line and merge it. Now I am already in the master. What I'm going to do is git merge testing. The moment I do the testing, you can see a new file got added. This file new added.txt. That's how we are going to actually merge. And this will create a new merge commit in the feature branch. Okay. Here in case any testing branch, okay, that holds the history of both the branches. Now how do we observe that? We can actually go ahead and use it here and observe it. For example, if you see the master is updated and there are 7 updated commits here. Now you can also do push, pull, everything from here itself. Now whatever we have done, everything is doing on a local. If we want to push it to directly to the remote branch, let us go ahead and see how we can do that. But before, let me open the remote branch. Now for example, if you look at the remote branch, this is my backend scripts. So let me go ahead and show it here. Now in this case, look at, I only have master branch, but if you look at my local, I have so many branches. Git branch. Now all these branches are not updated. Now what we need to do is, whenever we want to ensure that backup is taken care, we actually go ahead and push everything onto the remote server. Now git push origin master. Now let me show you how many files you have. You have 4 files here. Okay. Let's go ahead and see how it behaves. So the master, I have 4 files. Now the moment I refresh this, I should see 4 files. You can see that 4 files that I have here is actually, you're able to see it on my screen. So you got 4, and here are the 4 files. Hope that was clear. See you in the next demonstration.